Well, heard a knock on the door, and I've been expecting a gift. Having way too much fun with this, I guess. It's here. It's here. Something I've been waiting for. What is it? What? Oh, that's how it came? Just in that box? Yeah. What do you think it is? It's a little too small to be a FJ Cruiser. There it is. Straight from Home Depot. The Magnum Project Painter Plus. Airless. So, see how this, I'm gonna open this up. See how it looks. Yeah, it looks nice. Let me kind of crack this open and then we'll pull it out. Well, open it up. I find that it's easier to try and cut things open when I have my phone down. Got my little trusty Benchmade here. Tell you what, got this 20 years ago. Still is sharp. I think I've sharpened it once or twice. But man, the action is just absolutely smooth. So I recommend Benchmade. No, I was given this, so no endorsement money, Kevin. Let's see what's in here. So it looks like you get like 25 feet of hose, which, yeah, that looks like pretty much a 25 footer. Oh man, this is fun. It's like my birthday. If I celebrated birthdays. Let's see. Cardboard. Nobody will even notice. My front yard is it's a mess. I spent 6 hours. Let's see, where was that? That was this past Thursday. 6 hours of moving dirt, brought topsoil in. So yeah, I want to have a lawn, or at least a semblance of a lawn. Let's see. Oh man, this is kind of, oh wow. Huh. A little smaller than I thought. Let's look at this. So I've never even used one of these. Alright, so yeah, that's pretty wicked. What do you think? Oh, I'm very hungry. Oh. Ah! Well, what else do we have here? And yeah, it kind of looks like me. Big smile. Let's see. So I'm gonna go read the instructions. I am actually gonna read the instructions with this. I find that if I read them, things usually work a little better right off the bat. So until next time, when I'm actually using this and I'm all suited up, I'll let you know how it works. And yeah, I'll just let you know how it works, and if it does what I need it to do. You guys have a blessed day, and I'll talk to you next time on Cheaper Than Rent.